Book of Heaven, Volume 12, March 26, 1918. As one operates in the divine will, what is human remains as though suspended, and the divine life acts and takes its place. Continuing in my usual state, I was trying to fuse myself in the divine volition, and my sweet Jesus told me,
"My daughter, every time the soul enters into my volition and prays, works, suffers, etc., she acquires as many new divine beauties. So one more act or one less done in my will is one more beauty or one less that the soul acquires. Not only this, but in each additional act that she does in my will, she takes one more divine strength, wisdom, love, sanctity, and the like. And while she takes the divine qualities, she leaves the human ones. Even more, as she operates in my will, what is human remains as though suspended, and the divine life acts and takes its place, and my love has the freedom to undertake its attitude within the creature."